Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you fabulous people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. My god, it has been raining for fucking days. All I want to do is stay inside, watch movies, and drink copious amounts of alcohol. Good thing though, I have BoxyCharm to make me very excited. It always knows exactly which of my buttons to push. And for those of us who may be a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury booty items, and honey, these bitches do not fuck around. They give you some good ass shit. We've gotten things from Stila, MAC, Oprah, Tarte, you name it, we've gotten it. I am very rarely ever disappointed in this box, and it really gives people who might be on a budget a chance to try out some really high-end things. This little bitch has made it so I could try products from brands that I've always wanted to try but could never really afford to buy things from. So I, for one, am very grateful for it, especially because they do send it to me at no charge to review for you. But does that mean I'm a sugarcoat a damn thing? Fuck no. If I like something in here, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. And if at any point throughout this video you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. But I shit you not, I so look forward to getting this box. Like, I love the surprise. It is definitely one of the highlights of my month. And normally I never look at spoilers, but I did see a few this month. But I feel like that was kind of hard to avoid because they were all over Instagram. Fortunately though, I have such a short memory that I couldn't tell you a damn thing that's supposed to be in here. So really, it'll be just as much of a surprise for me as it is for you. Let's open this little bitch. Oh my god, that actually worked, wow. And they do always include a card with a theme on the top. I try not to look at any of the products because I do really like the surprise, but in the middle here, they always have the theme name, which is Alter Ego. And they always pick such gorgeous models and influencers to be on their cards, but they do need some male meat in there. I mean, hey BoxyCharm, I ain't doing anything. But I'll go ahead and set that up there, and let's go ahead and feel around for a dick. I mean, our first product, shit. Ooh, what do we have? Something in a bag? Is it an elephant condom? No. Dermovia Lace Appeal? Black Bamboo Peel Off Mask. Ooh, that's fun. I fucking love masks. Ooh, and it compresses. Maybe it'll suck in all my fat. Shit, can I put it on my stomach? This Dermovia, I don't know. It sounds like a fucking country. Whatever. This Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask retails for $30. Holy shit, that better do my fucking laundry for that price. Anyways, the detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. Ooh, fancy. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. Well, sign me the fuck up. I did just do kind of a hardcore exfoliation mask, so I am gonna save this for a different day, but make sure you follow me on social media and I will update you about this when I do use it. And next up, what do we have? Something big, something heavy. It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Oh my god, It Cosmetics, this is some big time shit right here. Ooh, and this is one of those mascaras where you basically start off with no lashes and you end up with drag queen lashes somehow. 96% said lashes looked stretched, 96% also saw dramatic volume and length, 96% saw plumper looking lashes. How the fuck do you have plumper looking lashes? Anyways, 100% saw a fuller lash line. I am very excited to test that out. This It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara retails for $24. Not too bad for a name brand mascara. They say wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. Very interesting. Let's go ahead and move on. Ooh, what is this? A spray of some sort? Is it breath spray? Briogeo? What the fuck? I do know we've gotten products from this brand before because I also struggled saying their name then. This is Don't Despair Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. What is it for, the hair? Ooh, it is! This leave-in mask spray is suitable for all hair textures and is perfect for those with dry, damaged, and or chemically treated hair, aka mine. Unfortunately though, since my do is already done and is sporting half a pound of hairspray, I'm gonna have to save this for a later date. But this hair mask retails for $16. Wow. I feel like that's a lot, but then for a hair product, it's not that bad. Like, I paid $10 for a little tube of conditioner before. But this super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Oh my god, this is full of really big words that's way too hard for me to read without my glasses, but it sounds really good. Also, I do want to note that I did get separately in the mail from BoxyCharm this Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator. No idea why, maybe they just couldn't fit it in the box, but I've actually had that happen a few times, so thank you. But moving on, I believe we have a few more products. What do we have here? Holy shit, it's a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, damn! I don't think we've ever gotten a Kat Von D liquid lipstick in a BoxyCharm before, but I love the shit out of this formula. Like, I own several of her lipsticks, but I don't have this shade, so this just makes me really fucking happy. Damn! Alright, this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick retails for $20. They say enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented vegan and cruelty formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. Yes, bitch! Not gonna lie, this is another really good month. Like, BoxyCharm, you've been stepping your kitty up and I am loving it. But it feels like we have one more item. Is it a palette? Ooh, yes it is. It's a pure midnight. I thought that said transgender, but that definitely says Midnight Masquerade. Wow. Ooh, and it looks like we actually get some color, which I do not mind. Last month's palette, it was beautiful, but it was very on the bland side. This pure Midnight Masquerade palette retails for $38. Wow, that is a lot of money, but I typically really like pure products, so I think it's worth it. This 10-piece face palette, wow, how do they fit 10 things in here? Holy hell. Anywho, this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. I like the sounds of that. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery shadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. Very nice. I really like this box. Like, yay. And I don't think there's anything in this month's box that I won't use, so that's good. I am very excited to put all this to the test, so let's go ahead and hop into a makeup look. And for foundation, I'm going in with CoverGirl's True Blend Matte Made in the shade M60. For concealer, I'm going in with some Makeup Revolution in the shade C9. Then to set that concealer, I'm going to pack on some Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. And I have no clue if this palette has any fallout, so I'm going to place a little bit extra there to catch any fallout. And my eyes are primed, and we're actually only given one matte in this palette, and it's a deep shade, so I might have to pull a lighter transition shade from a different palette. Just because it's what's in front of me, I'm going to pull from this Too Faced Gingerbread palette and go into a Gingerbread Latte. And I'm going to place that right in the crease line and blend it up towards the brow. There we go. It's not much, but it should help with the transition. So let's go back into the Pure palette, and with that same brush, dip into Sneak Peek. And let's start by tapping that onto the outer corner and slowly working it onto the lower part of the crease, like almost into the eye socket. I just don't want to cover up that lighter brown that we just laid down. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Fuck. Like, it's deep brown, but it's also kind of plummy. Oh, I like it. Then I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and just blend those edges out. And then you know what we haven't done in a long ass time? A cut crease. So why don't we do one of those today? Holy shit, I fucked that one up, didn't I? My god. Okay, well, we're just gonna ignore this eye. Let's see, what color should we go in with? I feel like we don't use blue very much on this channel, so why don't we dip into Showtime with my finger? Oh my god, that's really fucking soft. Holy hell. Damn. Anyways, I'm gonna take that and just place it right on the concealer that we just laid down. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh shit, I got some of it under my eye. That is totally my fault. Fuck. Oh no, look at that. Oh, damn it. Oh, did that kind of help? Oh, good enough. Let's instead use a flat brush, and I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray. Maybe this will help it so Nady doesn't fuck up the look again. I'm gonna also take a little bit of that purple and place it kind of towards the middle and blend it into the outer brown. Oh, maybe not. That was not a good choice. Just cover that back up with some more of that blue shit. It's gonna look like one of those slushy machines tried to fuck my eyeball. Let's instead, to highlight the inner corner, take some of Exposed and place that right there. Ooh, that's nice. And then to deepen that highlight up even more, let's dip into Twilight. I'm pretty sure this is an actual highlighter, but I don't know. Although I am kind of regretting picking blue. I feel like I should have picked purple or literally anything but blue. But whatever, we will make this shit work. And on the lower lash, all I'm gonna do is smoke out some Sneak Peek. For the lower waterline, I'm gonna go in with some nude liner. And the eye look in general, I'm truly not feeling, and it's totally my own fault, but I think maybe a wing will help, so I'm gonna go in with this Grandiose Liner by Lancome. And then for mascara, of course, we're gonna try this IT Cosmetics Superhero. Ooh. Yes, a nice normal wand. I feel like it's been a while since I've seen one that wasn't shaped like a banana or half the size of my foot. But here we go on the lower lash first. Ooh my, this is a very, very wet formula, like holy moly. But it seems to be applying really, really nicely. I don't know how plump it's making my lashes look, but it's definitely making them look nice and individual. And possibly longer? I don't know, I can't quite tell. What do you think? Can you even see? Probably not. No, you can't see. And let's try it on the top. Ooh, that actually does does look really good on the top lashes. You probably cannot see a fucking thing, but take my word for it, it looks good. I've just never seen my lashes look so juicy before. Actually, what they do kind of look like is like that unique mascara where you put the fibers on and then you keep applying a bunch of shit to them and soon you have like spider leg lashes. That is what this looks like, except less dramatic and way better looking. All right, so there we have it. Is it amazing? It's good. I mean, it's just a mascara for somebody with little tiny lashes. It's nothing to run out of your house naked and tell the world about. All right, lashes are on, face is contoured and bronzed. Let's go ahead and dip into the blush. I think this is a blush. Oh my, that is a very, very bright blush. Oh geez. Ooh, that's nice. It's really nice, actually. Yes, honey. I'm a very big fan of subtle blushes, and this is definitely that. Oh my, unless you add a shit ton of it, holy hell. Whatever, we'll just cover it up with some highlighter, so for that, I'm going back into Twilight. Ooh, that is really pretty. Ooh, that like matches my skin tone perfectly, and it is on the more subtle side. Maybe I should add some more and make this bitch blinding. All right, I think that's probably as bright as I'm gonna get it, but I am okay with that. That shit is pretty. And I think the last makeup-y thing that we have to test today is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow, I think? Yes, Bow and Arrow. I don't know, is this gonna match today's look? We'll see. Oh yes, Kat Von D, take me away. I think it might be a little bit washed out with this look, but overall I think it's okay. I mean, the color of this is absolutely beautiful, but I think paired with this blue, it might need something. What do you think? I think let's go over that with some of Kat Von D's Lolita. I think that's better. Well, it'll have to be because this is what we're going with. But yes, here we are with the final look. I actually really like the way it turned out. Other than the lips kind of being on the clashy side, I don't mind this. I do really like the way the eyes turned out. Like now that it's on me, it's not that bad. But it's not really the palette's fault. I mean, the palette was amazing. It was my fault for picking this color. The lipstick I've actually already done a review on, and I fucking love this stuff. The mascara I think looks really nice on my lashes. Was it anything super exceptional? No, not in the least. But I'm really not a good person to judge mascara because my lashes are so freaking tiny. And everything else, I'm really excited to use the Dr. Brandt, the face mask, the hair mask. Like, this was a really good ass month. If we were to add up everything that we got, except for this Dr. Brandt, because it wasn't technically in this box, it would be almost $130. Like 20 bucks for 130 bucks worth of products. That is not bad at all, my friends. So good job, BoxyCharm. You have satisfied me once again. More than a man could ever do, shit. Anyways, like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplex.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplex.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.